The book of Obadiah is the shortest in the Old Testament, but it delivers a powerful message of justice and hope. It focuses on the nation of Edom, which was descended from Esau, the brother of Jacob. Edom and Israel, despite being family, had a long history of conflict. When Jerusalem was invaded, Edom betrayed Israel, plundering the city and capturing fleeing Israelites. Because of their arrogance and betrayal, God declares that Edom will face complete destruction. Obadiah emphasizes that Edom's pride will be its downfall, and the allies they trusted will turn against them. The message then broadens to declare that the day of the Lord is coming for all nations, where everyone will face God's judgment, and what they have done will be done to them. But there is also hope. God promises that Israel will be restored, and his people will regain their land. In the end, God's kingdom will be established, and his justice will prevail. The book of Obadiah reminds us that no wrongdoing goes unnoticed by God, that arrogance will lead to a fall, but for those who trust in God, restoration and hope are assured.